Click on the algebra. Let's go down to reducing rational expressions, and we're looking at 6.2. 6.2. So let me spend a second here and write this down, and hopefully you're doing the same thing. Alright. Okay. X squared plus 5x minus 14, and that's all over negative x squared minus 6x plus 16. Alright, so we're probably going to end up factoring out this negative, a negative out of here, negative 1, and but let's just go ahead and take a stab at the numerator. Alright, so we're getting to the point now where we're starting to skip some of the intermediate steps. Alright, two numbers multiplied together gives us 14, but when we add them we get 5. Well, let's take a look at 7 and 2. Right, 7 and 2. We know that 7 minus 2 is positive 5, and 7 times negative 2 is 14. Alright, so that's good. Now what we're going to do here is I'm just going to do a little side work over here, and we're going to factor out that negative. So that's going to make that x squared plus 6x and then minus 16. Okay, so two numbers that multiply together to gives us negative 16, and when we add them we get 6. Let's see, what about 2 and 8? Let's put an x here and an x here. 2 and an 8, right? And so this is going to be a plus 8 and a minus 2, because 8 minus 2 is 6, right? And negative 2 times 8 is 16, negative 16. So now what we can do is some canceling. We'll cancel those guys out. Now we're left with x plus 7 over x plus 8. So if you could see that. Okay, x plus 7 over x plus 8. And wow, I just about made a mistake. We factored that negative out. Let's just put it right there. Okay, it was down here in the bottom, right? We just move it right out here. Okay, you could also, if you wanted to, you could take this negative and bring it in up here. No, you wouldn't want to do that. Never mind, because then that just makes that negative and that negative, so we'd leave it out. Alright, so there you go. We are, where are we? We're over here, gotomath.com. See you in the next problem.